Okay, now we're heading towards Bill Williams Lake. A lot of dips in this trail here. So this trail we're still on is called McGuffie Cabin Trail. It's a pretty cool trail, I like it. It's bouncy as hell. It's a fun trail though. Catch with this trail is you just gotta pay attention and watch. I mean, it's easy, but there's a lot of potholes and divots in the ground. Got to be careful that you don't dip into something too deep. Great view of the canyon. Look at that. This looks exactly the same way as I remember it 5 years ago. Nothing's changed. There's a fire pit off the left. It's a cool trail. This is a nice overlanding trail. It's not smooth, but it's definitely, I'd say, a moderate trail. This here got washed out a little bit. You can tell people are going on the left side, or the right side, I should say. I like how the ground changes color. It goes to, you can see the red rock. I guess it's probably iron in the soil makes it red. I'm not too sure. But it's pretty cool. I like the different colors. It's cool if you come through here at night, you can really see the different colors pop. Like say like around 5 o'clock in the evening when the sun is setting. This is a pretty cool part of the trail. Takes you down to the valley, or the water wash, I guess. I took a gentleman through here about 5 years ago. He just recently retired, bought himself a Jeep, an overland rig. His name is John. John, this is for you. Remember this trail? We went through here. You wanted to go through a water wash like this. It was like one of your dreams. So we went through this thing, and at the end, he was so happy. He came up and gave me a hug. It was kind of funny, but it was pretty cool. So John lives up north in Walnut area, and he'd come down here to Southern California to go on my runs. So he did a couple runs with us. He did this run with us, and it was a lot of fun for him. I don't really, everything pretty much looks the same as I remember it. go through the water wash here. Should be kind of careful. Man, hopefully we can get through all this. Should be pretty easy. Since I have the diesel, it has a lot of torque, so my four-wheel high is kind of equivalent to a four-wheel low with the regular non-diesels. Cool.
Shelter in there.
This looks like someone's house. Boy, I like how the dog, man, he just gets out and has to go wherever you go.
So maybe you could sell this to somebody with a commercial real estate.
Oh, yeah.
Some business, they could set up a little camp right there.
Yeah, it looks like someone's been laying in there.
They could have a computer station.
It's nice and cool.
I think you could get some good rent.
Yeah, I can rent this out for a couple $1,000 a month.
No, I might be.
Some sucker might go for it.
No, I'm a sucker.
Biden, this could be a Biden hotel.
Biden would be a Biden giveaway.
This is a Biden hotel, man. This is where we're going to be living pretty soon.
Well, we're all gonna
When
be living-
Biden's done with us, we'll be living here.
We'll be living here and loving it.
Yeah.
Because that'll be an upscale.
Yeah. So we're making our way to the river here. We should probably be there in about, I would say about 10 minutes. Would be my ETA. As long as the trail is smooth like this. Wow, look at that. Look how green it is. Look at that. So what that is down there is that's water. There's a river that goes through there and we have to cross it. Hopefully we can cross it. If not, I'm gonna have to backtrack about 20 miles and go a different route. But I think I can do it. see. I barely remember this. This is pretty cool though.
You know, this area looks graded and flat like it was a town site.
Yeah, there was actually a couple little ranches back in here.
Holy crap, we're down here. There's the river. More traffic.
Oh yeah, there's a bridge over here. It looks like the white bridge up there is, I think it's gas. Watch the drop-offs. This was it, right?
There is a trail here, isn't there?
Yeah, we're on it. This is gonna take us across the river.
So I take it this is the Pinstripe Valley.
Yeah, remember those clippers you brought?
Heck, if I had some soap and water, I could make it a car wash. I feel like we're driving in circles.
No, you're not. I have it marked on my map.
I see it.
Good thing I got my Jeep wrapped. Okay, so we're almost to the river crossing. Should be around here somewhere. Oh, there it is. There's the river crossing. Hey, you just crossed the river. That was perfect. Okay, so we just crossed the Bill Williams River. Now we have to make our way over to go up the pass here to go to Swansea. Slims aren't that bad. I would get out and cut them, but they're not that bad, so I'm not gonna worry about it. That was a fun little river crossing. Well, the guy in the Jeep, he was like shocked to see us roll in. I thought that was kind of funny. That was the first person I've seen out here in a while. Okay, so not bad.